So we will start with the practice. Okay, so if anybody can say something about the picture, you can say about this.
The flower, the sunflower is inside the fans. Fans, I don't know. The worms is hanging on the how cart. Grapes are spread over the plant. The a big standing beside the woman. Two chickens on the shop. A big behind the man. The little bats on the watermelon. The child is between the little birds. The chicken and little birds are on the little birds on the how cone. Two little birds are between the how cone. The little bird sitting on the stick between two house. Two house. The chicken on the cap. The pumping behind the lady. The phone in a man's hand. The sweet hanging in the shop. The guitar in a man's hand. The strawberry is in the house mouth. House mouth.
First one is the pig is in the man's hand. The pig is near the fence. The pig is above the watermelon. The chickens are above the roof. The chicken is in the block. There is a puppet in the body of a man. The broom is hanging on the block. Man play violin and piano in their hands. A geese in hiding in a tree. The little bird between the buffalo. Some birds are above the buffalo's horn. The little bird is on the floor. The little bird is above the watermelon. The geese is near the tea shop. The kettle is under the roof. The little bird and geese are above the cap. The little bird is on the head. Pumpkin is on the top of the watermelon.
Two chickens are on the roof. One geese are on the roof. The pig is above the watermelon. The pig is near the fence. The pig is in the man's hand.
So I will say something about what you all said now. Okay. If you look at my writing, can you see my writing? Can you
Yes.
see what I'm writing there? Okay. So when you say, I think you said cow cart, we usually say it's a bullock cart. Okay. Second one is, I think somebody said about small birds. I think you meant small birds. Then somebody said cow horn. This is actually the corn of the cow. Okay, this is corn of the cow. The chicken are on the cap. Chicken are on the cap. The phone is in the man's hand. The guitar is, the strawberry is, the pig. This is pig, P-I-G, pig. And then the puppet is, there is a puppet in the man's belt. You can say in the man's belt. You don't need to say man's body, right? Because I think the puppet is here, right? So this is, you can say it's in the man's belt. Then bird is, you have to talk with the tense, with the present tense, past tense, or future tense. You have to mention the tense. So be very careful in addressing something. So you have to say the bird in the roof. There is no tense. So you have to say with some tense. In this case, the bird is on the roof. Some birds are. You said some birds are. When you want to say more than one bird, you have to say a few birds. You don't say some birds. Okay, it is a few birds. Then goose, geese. This is a difficult thing. When you say goose, that is singular. When you want to say it in plural, there is geese. So one goose, five geese. This is a difficult one. Okay, singular plural. The same way you say chick, meaning one bird. Chicken, many birds. So you don't say chickens. There's no S. There is no word like that. There's only chicken, no chickens. Okay. You can also say hen in the plural is chicken. Chick in the plural, chicken. Right? There's no chickens. Right. With this, we'll move on to the next one. So yesterday we had some practice prepositions of not yesterday. In the last class we had some practice prepositions of place, prepositions of direction, and a few statements, questions, negative statements, and then the role play. Role play, we are supposed to do the role play today. Okay, so you're going to go into pairs. You're going to do this in pairs. Okay, so I will show this on the screen and then you do the role play. So how many of you watched this video? Put a thumbs up. If you watched this video, put a thumbs up, please. Now it's time for the role play. Who can do the role play? Please raise your hands up. Okay, Nivedi and Jancy, start, please.
Good evening. Welcome to Ahas Hotel. Do you have a reservation?
No, we don't.
No problem. Right this way, please. Here is the menu. Would you like some time to look it over?
Yes, please. Thank you.
Yeah.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I would like the cucumber French fry, vegetable soup, white wine, and grilled chicken and milkshake. To start, please.
Excellent choice. And for your main course?
I would like the main course chicken biryani, egg rice, and chicken cheese pizza.
Great. Would you like any sides with that?
Yes, I would like uh, chicken chicken devil, potato fry, chili paste.
Okay. And for drink?
I would like Coca-Cola, Fanta, please.
Perfect. Can I get you anything else?
No, that's that's all for now. Thank you.
All right. Your order will be ready soon. Here, your cucumber vegetable soup. Enjoy.
Thank you. Excuse me. Would we get the bill, please?
Of course.
Thank you.
Thank you for coming. Have a great evening.
You too.
Okay, thank you very much. That was a nice restaurant, but the customer is always asking for two, three, five things. Okay, what do you have for starter? This, and 10 items. What do you have for the main course? 5 items, 4 items. So very difficult for the waiter, and the waiter forgot the starter's name. This is why the waiters at any restaurant they keep a notebook, so they take a note, right? So if you want to be a good waiter, maybe you have to take a note of the menu, right? I need one more person for the conversation.
Good evening. Welcome, Red, sorry, Redstone Restaurant. Do you have a reservation?
No, we don't.
No problem. Right this way, please. This is for this is a table for you. Here's the menu. Would you like some time to look it over?
Yes, please. Thank you.
Are you ready to order?
Yes. I would like the vegetable soup to start, please.
Excellent choice. And for your main course,
I would like the chicken biryani.
great. Would you like any side dish?
Yes, I would like fried chicken and egg.
Okay. And for drinks?
I would like a Coca-Cola, please.
Perfect. Can I get you anything less?
No, that's all for now. Thank you.
All right. Your order will be ready soon. Here's your vegetable soup, chicken biryani, fried chicken, Coca-Cola. Enjoy.
Thank you. Excuse me, could we get the bill, please?
Of course.
Thank you.
Thank you for coming. Have a great evening.
You too.
Okay, that was a nice conversation. Now I'll try to read it. Okay, I'll try to do a role play on my own. Thank you very much. This is the waiter. Good evening. Welcome to our restaurant. Do you have a reservation? Customer. No, we don't. Waiter. No problem. Right this way, please. Leads the customer to a table. Here's the menu. Would you like some time to look it over? The customer. Yes, please. Thank you. Waiter. Are you ready to order? Customer. Yes, I would like the vegetable soup to start, please. Waiter. Excellent choice. And for your main course? Customer. I would like the chicken biryani, please. Waiter. Great. Would you like any sides with that? Customer. Yes, I would like some fried chicken and some eggs. Waiter. Okay. And for drinks? Customer. I would like a Coca-Cola, please. Waiter. Perfect. Can I get you anything else? Customer. No, that's all for now. Thank you. Waiter. All right, your order will be ready soon. Waiter. Here's your vegetable soup. Enjoy. Customer. Thank you. Customer. Excuse me. Could we get the bill, please? Waiter. Of course. Customer. Thank you. Waiter. Thank you for coming. Have a great evening. Customer. You too. Right. So you don't get familiar with a conversation that takes place in a restaurant unless you practice. Okay. If you don't practice enough, you don't get very familiar with the conversation that happens or that takes place in a restaurant. But in reality, we don't go to restaurants, we don't go to local restaurants and say a lot of things in English. We go to the local restaurants and we talk in the local language, so we don't have the practice. The restaurant practice, if you watched that video, it would be a very useful resource. If you haven't watched it, please go back and watch it. Now, this is session 13 today, and we went through a recap already. Now, we are going into an area which is a little bit difficult for many people.